Hello everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. Today, we're making some delicious liver sauté together. I've had these liver pieces soaking in water for a few hours. This really helps get rid of any excess blood. And if you're buying your liver from the butcher, you can actually ask them to remove this membrane for you. But if not, I'm just going to make a small cut here with my knife, and look how easily this membrane peels right off. I'm just taking off that outer layer. This will help it cook even faster. Let's get this all peeled and ready. Next, we're going to chop the liver into bite-sized pieces, like so. We don't want them too thin, and not too chunky either. Just chop them up like this, and get them ready. Okay, pan is on the stove. I'm adding about half of a quarter cup of vegetable oil. You could also use beef tallow if you like. Let's get that oil nice and hot. Into that hot oil, we're adding our liver. Now we'll let the liver cook, stirring occasionally, until it's nicely browned on all sides. While the liver is doing its thing, let's get our veggies prepped. I've got 1 yellow onion, 2 red bell peppers, and about 5 or 6 green bell peppers here. We'll chop the onion into half moons. And we'll chop the peppers the same way. Not too small, just a nice bite. For the peppers that have seeds, we'll just scoop those out. And for the bell peppers, we're going to cut them into longer strips. Okay, liver's looking great. And the red peppers have released their liquid. They're starting to sauté nicely in that flavorful oil. I'm going to let this cook for about 5 more minutes. Then I'm adding in my onions. And next go in the bell peppers, both the red and green, and give it all a good stir. We'll add a splash of water. Let's let it all come together. And by adding that liquid, we're really going to enhance all those amazing flavors. After stirring, we'll cover it up for a little while. After giving it a stir, everything should be perfect. And that's how we get this beautiful dish all done. Now, just look at this beautiful liver dish we've made. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. We'd love to see your likes and comments below. Wishing you all a wonderful day.